What's going on, everybody? My name is J-Statik, and this is the Statik Sessions. This is my brand new channel where we're going to be discussing production, engineering, recording, everything across the board, especially even DJing. We're going to go into things that you can do to make podcasts onto Ableton, where you can engineer sessions where you're maybe making a beat or making a song all in Ableton. I'm going to cross paths with a couple other DAWs, and if you don't know what a DAW is, you will soon. I'll be going into those things a little bit throughout the show, but I'm primarily going to be sticking to Ableton as that's my choice of DAW. Just to give you a little background about myself, I am an audio engineer. I've been doing production, recording, mixing, and mastering for the last, I would say, 6, 7, 8 years. In my account, I probably have about 1,000 songs that I've mixed and mastered or helped with production or co-produced. So with that, not saying that I know exactly what I'm talking about, but I've definitely learned a few things along the way, and I'm more than happy to share that stuff along. I feel like when I was starting out, it was very, very difficult to find things online to help you with your sound, especially within the South Asian community. That being said, this channel is for everybody. I hope some people can learn tips and tricks, even if you're making Western music or you're making music in another genre, whether it be Middle Eastern or African or anything that it might be. I want people to get a grasp of how I do it, how we do it in this industry, and where we can take things forward. I feel like right now everything's about, if you have this perfect situation, here's the perfect outcome. That's never the case, especially for guys who are making stuff out of their rooms and out of their bedrooms. So let's dive deep. Let's get into that proper situation where we can start showing you guys how to produce, how to mix, how to record, how to go about this whole music industry process and move forward. Please make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this around, press that little bell, especially right now, because you're going to want to know when every video is coming out from here on in. Until then, stay tuned.